Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the edge of everything you have ever known. The last galaxy fading into darkness. The final star flickering out like a dying ember. And then, nothing. But what if that nothing isn't empty at all? What if beyond the universe there is something even stranger? Something that challenges the very idea of reality itself? This question has haunted scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. And today on Cosmic Horizon Hub, we are going to push past the limits of space, past the observable universe, and ask the most unsettling question of all. What's really out there beyond the universe? The universe, as we understand it, is already unimaginably vast. Our observable universe stretches about 93 billion light-years across, filled with an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions or even trillions of stars. To put that into perspective, if every galaxy were a grain of sand, you would need beaches larger than planets just to count them all. Yet even this colossal expanse may be only a tiny bubble in something far greater. When astronomers talk about the observable universe, they are not saying this is all that exists. They are saying this is all that light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang around 13.8 billion years ago. Beyond that cosmic horizon, space continues, but its light hasn't arrived yet. So the first twist is this: beyond the universe might simply be more universe, more galaxies, more stars, more worlds, stretching endlessly into the dark, repeating patterns like an infinite cosmic echo. But then, the question shifts. If space goes on forever, does it ever repeat? Some cosmologists believe that in an infinite universe, every possible arrangement of matter must occur somewhere. That means that far beyond what we can see, there could be a region of space identical to ours, with another Earth, another you, watching another version of this very video. It sounds like science fiction, but mathematically, it's a real possibility. Now let's push even further. What if the universe is not infinite? What if it has an edge? This is where things get truly strange. An edge doesn't have to mean a wall or a barrier. Imagine the surface of a balloon. As you move along it, you never encounter an edge, yet the surface is finite. Some theories suggest our universe could be similar, curved in higher dimensions that we cannot directly perceive. In this case, going beyond the universe might not mean crossing a border, but stepping into dimensions that are folded into reality itself. This brings us to one of the most fascinating ideas in modern physics: extra dimensions. According to string theory, the universe may have up to 10 or even 11 dimensions, most of them compacted and hidden at scales smaller than an atom. We experience only 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time, but beyond these could be dimensions that shape the fundamental forces of nature. If these dimensions exist, then beyond the universe is not empty space, but a deeper layer of reality, like hidden notes beneath a melody, silently controlling how everything moves and interacts. Now here comes another twist. What if our universe is not the whole story, but just one of many? The multiverse hypothesis suggests that our universe could be one bubble among countless others, each with its own laws of physics, constants, and even dimensions. Some universes might expand faster than ours. Some might collapse almost instantly. Others might never form stars at all. In this cosmic foam, universes are born and die like bubbles in boiling water. And if that's true, then beyond our universe lies an ocean of realities, most forever unreachable, yet all equally real. This idea becomes even more unsettling when we consider cosmic inflation. Inflation theory proposes that shortly after the Big Bang, space expanded exponentially faster than the speed of light. In some versions of this theory, inflation never truly stops. It continues eternally, creating new universes over and over again. Our universe would be just one successful outcome in an endless process. If that's the case, then beyond the universe is not just space, but an eternal engine of creation, constantly generating new cosmic experiments. But let's ask a deeper question. What if beyond the universe is not physical at all? Some physicists argue that space and time themselves might be emergent, not fundamental. In this view, reality at its deepest level could be made of information, mathematics, or quantum relationships. The universe would then be like a projection, similar to a hologram, where the true structure exists in a lower dimensional framework. Beyond the universe, in this sense, would be the source code of reality, the abstract rules from which space, time, and matter emerge. This leads to one of the most provocative ideas ever proposed, the simulation hypothesis. If our universe is a simulation, then beyond the universe could be a higher-level reality, a place where the simulation is running. The laws of physics would be the rules of the program. Quantum randomness might be computational limits. The speed of light could be a maximum processing rate. And glitches in reality, strange anomalies we cannot explain, could be hints of the underlying system. While this idea sounds radical, some scientists take it seriously, not as belief, but as a logical possibility worth exploring. Now let's pause and ask you a question. If there truly is something beyond the universe, would we ever be able to reach it? The harsh truth is that physics may place absolute limits on what we can know. The expansion of space is accelerating due to dark energy, meaning distant galaxies are moving away from us faster and faster. Eventually, they will disappear beyond our cosmic horizon forever. Future civilizations may see a much emptier universe than we do today, unaware that other galaxies ever existed. In that sense, beyond the universe might not just be far away, it might be fundamentally unknowable. But humanity has faced impossible boundaries before. Once, the stars were unreachable lights in the sky. Now we send probes beyond the solar system. Once, atoms were invisible mysteries. Now we split them and harness their energy. Each generation pushes the horizon a little further. Perhaps future physics will find indirect ways to test what lies beyond, through subtle imprints in cosmic background radiation, gravitational waves from other universes, or patterns hidden deep within quantum mechanics. And here's another twist that often goes unnoticed. The question, what is beyond the universe, might be flawed. It assumes the universe is something inside something else. But what if the universe is all there is, and beyond it is not a place, but a concept? Just as asking what is north of the North Pole has no meaning, asking what is beyond the universe might be a limitation of human intuition, shaped by life on a small planet in three-dimensional space. In that case, the true mystery is not what lies beyond, but how our minds struggle to comprehend a reality that does not fit our everyday experience. Still, the search itself matters. Every time we ask these questions, we expand our understanding, not just of the cosmos, but of ourselves. We learn humility in the face of vastness. We learn wonder in the face of the unknown. And we learn that the universe, whether finite or infinite, single or one among many, is far stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. So let's end with one final question. If tomorrow we discovered undeniable proof of something beyond the universe, another dimension, another cosmos, or a deeper layer of reality, how would it change the way you see your life, your problems, your place in existence? Would your worries feel smaller? Would your curiosity grow stronger? Would you feel fear or awe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this journey beyond the universe sparked your imagination, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cosmic Horizon Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exploration into the deepest mysteries of reality. The horizon is vast, the questions are endless, and the universe, and whatever lies beyond it, is waiting to be explored.